Welcome, guys, to the place where we are all about tech, and today we will be unboxing and reviewing the i7S TWS from China. I mean, these are supposed to mirror the AirPods that came out a while back. And is there anything the Chinese can't do, really? So, my name is Hezion. Let's get straight to it. Let's do a quick unboxing right here. Before that, you can see the specs over here. Wireless version 4.2. Is that version? Is that the Bluetooth version or what? Frequency is 65 milliamp hour battery capacity. Transmission distance of 12 meters. I highly doubt that. Playing time 5 to 6 hours. Okay, we'll see. And of course, made in China. So let us unbox this. Yeah, good old fashioned trouble unboxing everything, huh? And oh my goodness. Yeah, Apple will definitely not do that. Chinese, English. Let's see what else you get in the box. The charging case, I suppose. You got a button here. Here the AirPods, and you get a charging cable, and that's it. I mean, what else do you expect? So straight away, let's look at these things. I mean, okay, I really need to read those instructions first. Okay, so if you plug them out, I think, yeah, if you plug them out, they stop charging. So straight off the bat, you can see, I honestly don't think these are the same size as the original AirPods. They don't even look the same. Plus, I highly doubt this button is on the AirPods. So let's get into the pairing process. What am I supposed to do? Hold this down simultaneously like that. Then tap one. Yeah, I think they've paired now. So let's see how these things sound. They don't. Let's just hope they sound better than they look. Yeah. Okay. Supposed to pair them first. Yeah. Oh, there they are. Okay, connected. We've got 100% charge. Oh, you can see that, yeah. Oh, okay. So let's play some music right here. Okay. Okay, let me. Let's try something with more bass. Okay. For one, I like how they fit, yeah. This will definitely not fall off my ear anytime I'm walking. Sound quality, oh my god. Not to be biased or anything, but I prefer my earphones, my wired earphones. The sound is kind of iffy. I mean, you're getting lower bass, you're getting thinner sound, but you know, Sound quality, I don't know. Let's see. I don't know if this can capture that. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, the sound is palatable, but it's kind of thin. You know, you're getting limited bass from this. You're getting iffy sound. If you're not that detailed about your music, the amount of bars you're getting and all that, then this will definitely suit you. These are going to send you back 800 bob. You can get these on Jumia for 800 bob, and literally all online retailers in Kenya. I wouldn't quite say they're Best Buy, but they're worth it. So I'm going to run with them for like 2-3 days, and I'll get back to you guys with a full review of how these things really are. Battery life, those 6 hours they told us these things will give us, so yeah, let's see. Yeah, there you have it. It would really make my day if you'd smash the like button below. Like, subscribe, and share, please. Yeah, peace.